Okay, friends, thanks for stopping by the channel. This is Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you. I got a real quick one, friends. This actual bird's nest fell out of the tree. I'm going to see if I can put an ember in there from a bow drill, bring it to flame. A real bird's nest. You put some light on it. There it is, friends. It's a real bird's nest. Let's put an ember in there, see if we can bring it to flame. Actual bird's nest, Tinder bundle, blew out of the tree. See how well it works. This actual bird's nest might be waterproof. Here we go, friends. The actual bird's nest Tinder bundle. All right, I want to thank you for stopping by the channel. Before you leave, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you've ever used a real bird's nest Tinder bundle. And do give the video a like, friends. You Christians out there, please, please don't depart from the faith. You that are on the fence, please use your free will. That's what it takes. It takes your free will, friends. Use your free will and give your life over to Jesus Christ. He died on a cross for us. All right, as always, God is good, God is great. I see y'all next video. Already got a date.